An IR sensor detects modulated infrared signals from an IR remote and uses libraries to decode the received signals. It enables wireless control in projects. This code reads signals from the infrared remote using an IR receiver module. It decodes the signals and prints the unique code for each button. First, we define the pin connected to the IR receiver. In this case, pin 6. The IR remote library is used to handle the decoding of signals from any standard IR remote. In the setup function, serial communication is started so we can view output in the serial monitor. Then the IR receiver is initialized with IR receiver.begin. Inside the loop function, the Arduino checks if a signal has been received using IR receiver.decode. If it has, and the decoded value is not 0, it prints the code in hexadecimal format. Finally, IR receiver.resume is called to prepare the receiver for the next signal. This allows you to capture and identify IR codes from any remote for further use in your project. Let us upload the code onto the Arduino A R4 Minima board and observe the serial monitor for the decoded values in hexadecimal format. You can now observe the values being displayed on the serial monitor. Each button has a unique value which is transmitted by the IR remote when pressed. This signal is received by the IR receiver and is decoded and displayed in the serial monitor. The IR remote has a variety of applications when it comes to wireless communication. It can be used to control robot via IR remotes. It can provide input for media playback devices. It can also be used for wireless navigation through a menu. And that wraps up the explanation and demonstration of IR receiver and its code. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.